Honeybees by Tiana Chiesa. Honeybees live in hives. In nature, they will often make their hive in trees. Or they will live in man-made hives. This is called beekeeping. Beekeeping is done to collect wax, honey, and pollinate crops. Beekeeping has been around since the Neolithic ages. Bees live in colonies with 3 different roles: a worker, a queen, and a drone. Drones are the male honeybees. The only function of a drone is to reproduce. Drones are kicked out of the hive by winter to save food supply. The queen is normally the only female capable of reproduction. The queen can live up to 5 years. She begins laying eggs in the spring with the first pollen. She will continue to lay in late fall. Worker bees are females that may reproduce eggs which hatch into drones. Workers use wax to form honeycombs. Bees help flowers and crops pollinate. When a bee lands on a flower or a plant, the pollen sticks to the bee's body. The bee will carry pollen from the flower's stamen to another flower's pistil. This is flower fertilization. Honeybees aren't picky about which flower they visit, which is a good thing since they aren't restricted. Without bees, there would not be fresh, nutritious food to eat. Bees are important to the ecosystem. Without them, plants would be unable to reproduce. Without plants, herbivores and frugivores would have a hard time finding food. This would impact the food chain, including carnivores and omnivores, such as wolves, bears, and humans. Pollination is an important task of bees. It also helps them create honey. Honey can be used for a sore throat or upset stomach. Honey can be added to tea to help soothe your throat or calm your stomach. It can also be used to help with acne. Beeswax is used in lip balm, furniture oil, and granite polisher. There are 7 species of honeybees. But there are other bees that contribute to pollination. This is a mason bee. They are efficient pollinators to native North America. This is a leafcutter bee. They are known to help pollinate alfalfa, an important crop for hay. This is a bumblebee. Bumblebees have more hair than honeybees, allowing them to carry more pollen. Bees have been dying at a fast rate. This may be due to human development. Wild bees have lost a lot of their natural habitats. In addition to loss of habitat, the use of pesticides have also impacted bees. Pesticides are made to keep bad bugs out of crops, but they have been affecting many of the pollinators. One common pesticide used is called neonicotinoid, which is toxic to all insects that come in contact with it. Varroa mites have also been affecting beekeepers. These mites can destroy an entire colony of bees. Another factor contributing to the loss of bees is colony collapse disorder. This is when a worker honeybee disappears and leaves the queen behind. There are a few things we can do to help save the bees. We can minimize the habitation loss, reduce the use of pesticides, and most importantly, spread awareness of the importance of bees. Many may not know about the loss of bees. Others may not realize they are affecting them. Spreading awareness will help people realize and make important changes. Whether you are a beekeeper enjoying nutritious foods or love honey, there's always a reason to help the bees. The end.